Mesa. Welcome back to the channel. So, after the last video, I'm not sure, all these videos are gonna be a bit open car, like, and confusing and so forth. But after the last video, I watched some YouTube videos on what to do on the car and what to look at. Like I said, I'm not a professional at this at all. So I'm going this for the first time. So I was advised to get the throttle body, cleaned up, because mine is actually bad. So yeah, I think there's gonna be a video of that, just getting the throttle body cleaned up, and yeah, man, we'll just see what's gonna happen afterwards, if the car will be better or what. But if you're tuned in, thank you very much. Please do smash the like button, do smash the subscribe button, and yeah, I don't know to road what we're on right now, because this video is gonna be in December. They actually take it in December 2023, throughout the whole December. I won't be posting them throughout December. I'll just see, man. I'll just see how it goes. I'm thinking of making it one long video till the car is done, but we'll just see. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the throttle body cleaned up right now and just check what happens afterwards. Enjoy. Yeah. Yo guys, I'm actually disappointed on how this throttle body looks like. It's in very bad condition. I think actually the whole engine is in bad condition, so don't judge me guys, man. I ask you nicely. For taking off the throttle body, it's just this part, very clean. It just has, I think it just has the sensor to it. We're just gonna pull this out, if I can even put it now, but we'll just check. And then take it out and give it a good clean, and then we'll see what happens from there on. So yeah. That was the wrong size. I think they're a bit loose because the car, they looked on the car.
You need to leave.
They were just checking some stuff on it, so I think that's why they're still loose. Let's just try to get this cleaned, and after that just start the car again and see if it still makes the same noise. If it's still gonna do that, we're just gonna get a diagnostics on it, and then we'll see. Oh guys, I just wanna show you how this looks like actually. Yeah, it's in very bad condition, so I really do understand if the car's faulty and has a lot of problems. So yeah, there's gonna be like a before and after type of thing. I must just need to get these owns wet. I must leave them all good. Let's get this cleaned up, and for that we have the Spaniard carbon throttle body cleaner. Guys, I'm not a mechanic. This is gonna be my first time doing something, not my first time doing something like this, but yeah, I'm not a professional doing this stuff, but it's gonna be my first time. But yeah, let's just try to get this thing cleaned, and we'll see after that, I guess. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. just putting it out there, man. I'm not a professional mechanic or anything, but yeah, this is the end result of the throttle body. Looks kind of nice, and this motherfucker definitely works. But yeah, this is the end result of the throttle body, and I'm very happy actually. So yeah, just have a look. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna put this thing back into the car and then yeah, just see what happens. I don't think it's gonna be like the solution to the whole problem. Look at the difference between this and the whole rest of the fucking engine. So yeah, I think I have a lot more to do than I thought. But yeah, for now, let's just put this back, see how the car reacts on it. And if that doesn't cut the job, yeah, let me just put this in and see what's gonna happen, guys. I forgot how it went in now. I think I'll just give the whole engine a nice wash after this. Like if this works out, I'll just give the whole engine bay a nice wash and just see what happens after that if this works out. Even if it doesn't work out, man, like I think the car het nodig. The car really has it needed. Anyway guys, just start with the throttle body. I think I'm gonna start the car. So, no warnings on the dash. That's a good thing. So what normally happens with the car is I would start it, it would idle normally, and then it would be like I don't know how to describe this actually now. But yeah, no warnings on the dash or anything like that, so I think we're good. Let's just see if the car's in neutral. The car is in neutral and this is up. And yeah, it's just gonna happen. As you can see, it's idling nicely. And then we get that. See that? So I'm really not sure what that is, man. I know a bietjie water is goed vir die car and all that, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to warm up, and then after it warming up, I'll just update you guys on how it actually went with the car itself. I just don't want it to overheat or anything like that, because I know the oil is still good. Yeah, let's just see what the car's gonna do and how it's gonna work.
I came from the mud, straight to the top. Shooters outside, double park.